In this video, I'll show you how to put slow motion effect on TikTok. Alright, first of all, just open TikTok and click on the profile icon on bottom right corner and just click on this middle icon. Click on this plus icon at the bottom. Alright, here, just click on this gallery option from which you can upload your video from gallery. Alright, here, click on videos and select a video. I'm going with this one. And after that, just click on next. Alright, here as you can see, just click on this sparkle option. And here you can see this effect slow-mo. Just click on it. And you can increase the slow-mo time by dragging this arrow. Alright, after that just click on save. Next. And you will be good to go. Your slow motion effect is applied. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.